Good morning, dear students. Hopefully, all of you must have read this story, The Friendly Mongoose, from your supplementary textbook. Now, let us learn about the summary and moral of the story. Once there was a farmer who, along with his wife and a small baby, used to live in a village. Both he and his wife loved their child. One day, the farmer spoke his mind to his wife and expressed a wish to bring a pet to his house to give as a companion to their son. His wife also liked that idea and agreed. The farmer brought a baby mongoose as a pet. Both the baby mongoose and his son grew within 5 or 6 months. The mongoose grew to its full size, whereas the farmer's son was still a baby only. One day, the farmer's wife had to go to the market. She fed the baby and moved him in his little cradle to make him sleep. She picked up the basket to go to the market and asked her husband to keep an eye as the baby was sleeping. She spoke that she didn't like to leave her baby alone with the mongoose. The farmer told her not to be afraid, as the mongoose was as sweet as their own child. Moreover, both of them were good friends. The wife went to the market, and the farmer, as he had nothing to do at home, also went to his fields, which were not very far from the house. On the way, he also met his friends and got late. The farmer's wife came back from the market with her basket full of groceries. She found that Mongoose was waiting for her outside the house. She noticed blood on the face and paws of the mongoose and started shouting and crying. She thought that it was her baby's blood. She thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. She was blinded by the fear inside her, and she hit the mongoose with the heavy basket with full strength. After this, she ran inside to her child's cradle. She found that the baby was asleep and a black snake was lying on the floor. In a moment, she understood the whole story. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Realizing her mistake, she started crying. She touched the mongoose, who was lying dead. The farmer's wife, who acted unthoughtfully in a panic, was repenting, but it was too late. The moral of the story, Friendly Mongoose, is look before you leap. It means that you need to think twice or thrice before doing anything. The smart thinking is vital because it will help you to avoid various problems and also reduce the possibility of facing complex problems. Here, in this story, we see that the lady became angry and with the rage killed the mongoose. She did not analyze the situation and initiated the action without the use of the mind. This story teaches us to not to be angry and take action without mind if something goes wrong. Else, we will have to repent later, just like the farmer's wife. Thank you. Have a nice day.